Hello, should I tell my twin flame that I am his or her twin flame? It's a common question I came across with most of the people who are in their journey. It's a like constant craving, let me go and tell the person that you are my twin flame, you are mine, come be with me, let's get into harmonious union. You can try that. I have done that. It is not going to work. It is absolutely not going to work. There are two major reasons that's not going to work. One, that you have not yet healed yourself completely, and you totally don't know who you are within yourself. You are not in that state of vibration of love, so they will not at all recognize you and they will reject you. And the second thing, the vibration or the person that you are in belief that he or she is your twin flame is really not your twin flame. Okay, and then you will be absolutely wasting your energy in putting all those effort to tell them that you are their twin flame, and all those stories of twin flame and how exactly you should behave and all that, because the simple formula is your twin flame is you, and they understand your vibration very naturally. So you think that you will feel something that your twin flame will not know? That's never going to happen. Even if your twin flame is far away from you, maybe he or she is not even in this country, whatever you are feeling energetically, they are going to feel it, because both of your energy body or both of your soul is same. So if you are not numbed out to your feelings, your twin flame will feel you very naturally. So you don't have to do anything externally. So why exactly you come to this thought again and again that I should tell my twin flame that we are twin flames? Because there is a deep belief within you. You are trying to get it confirmed. You are trying to get it confirmed. You are not trying to make him believe that we are twin flames. You are trying to get yourself a belief. Is he my twin flame? Is she my twin flame? That's the confirmation. You are deep within you. You are trying to get that clarity, and you are actually projecting that feeling onto the person. You are like trying to tell all the story, and you want the situation to be handled by the other person, because you don't want to get into all those roller coaster of emotions. Those, the moment you are touching that place where you are healing your twin flame harmonious union, that triggers you like hell. Like you will not be able to sleep for 2-3 days with any, if you touch any core block. So that's a very natural phenomenon of a runner. Okay, like you see, you are running within yourself from your own feeling. That's why the other person is repelling outside. That's the dynamic of twin flames. And rather than running from your own emotions and trying to describe externally, or trying to project all your feelings onto that person and expecting that the person should do something, I will highly invite you to come and do your inner work, because you will be wasting your time. Absolutely, you will be wasting your time. Nothing will happen externally. You will be again and again experiencing that karmic cycle, because these are all karmic cycle, because constantly you are taking a action that you have a desire that the other person will do, and you will experience the result, or you will experience that love. It doesn't happen like that. Nobody outside of you is going to give you the experience that you are desiring within you. Nobody can do that. Only you can create your own experiences by your own vibration. So if you have a vibration of running within yourself, you are like absolutely frustrated with all those roller coaster emotions, and you are not at all feeling peaceful to create any of the experience with God, or create any other experience with yourself, the other person is not going to do that for you. That's the fact. It will be very easy for you the more you you may not be coming into peace with this belief by now if you are deep into separation, but you can consciously make a choice, consciously make a choice to understand why you are doing that, because that's where lies your the key to into your harmonious union. That's exactly is the point where you need to start begin. That's the beginning. So if so far you have been doing something and you are still not into the belief that you are responsible for the experiences that you want to have with your twin flame, then you have not yet started your spiritual journey. You may be telling yourself that I am doing healing work, I am doing meditation, and I am doing so many help to others. That's not going to bring you what exactly you are desiring within yourself. The core desire of your soul of having harmonious union start with a choice, with a belief that you are responsible for creating your harmonious union. So at times it becomes very natural that that person is engaged with other person, or doing something different. Then why should I do this healing for myself? Then I will also share another secret, that even if the other person is choosing whatever, and if that is your true twin flame, you making the right choice, you making the healing within yourself will bring that person to you. That's the natural spiritual truth of a twin flame pairs. Okay, so you don't have to be bothered why that person is not doing the work. You can absolutely create your harmonious union by yourself, just by healing your blocks within yourself. You will be amazed to see, when you have done something like deep healing within yourself, and you see the other person coming back to you naturally, rather than you doing so many hospos outside by trying to tell them, try to create scenario externally, try to send them messages that I have done. Those things doesn't help. And the second thing, don't do that, don't do that externally, because at times you don't know, the person may be a false twin flame. So why do you want to have those experiences with a person that is not yours, simply? And second thing, and like if you have done your healing, you are quite on a peaceful thing, and like constantly on your journey you are seeing that your healing, when you are healing your core blocks, that person is actually responding back to you emotionally, responding back to you in action. Okay, like you have healed a major block in communication, that person will start communicating with you, and you are like 100% confirm within your heart, you feel peaceful that yes, this is my true twin flame. In that case, you can open yourself to share your friendship. That's a peaceful state. You can start becoming friends, and when you actually stay with your with or around your twin flame, you can see there is a magic that will happen energetically, because even if they do, they know, first thing they know, their soul knows, there is something within you, So you don't have to put that effort to tell them. Their soul definitely knows. That's why they will keep coming back, like they will disconnect from you, then still they will find some or other reason, or even you will see universe will conspire situations where both of you will bump into each other. Those magnetic or miracle things will start happening. So flow into the feelings, connect with those feelings of unconditional love. You will attract your twin flame naturally, and definitely they know within themselves that you are their twin flame. So you don't have to literally say that outside. You can always choose to be easy in the friendship and hold on that feeling, because when you feel that feeling, they feel that. So within twin flames, rather than having a lot of external communication, obviously external communication is also a fundamental thing in twin flames, but there is a lot of communication that happens energetically, a lot. At times you literally don't have to say anything to your twin flames, but your twin flame will understand that energetically. That's the amazing part of this relationship. You literally don't have to, in the current relationship, you will say something to your maybe a boyfriend, maybe your spouse, or maybe you have seen in other combination of your uncle, auntie, or maybe your parents. Your mother have been telling your father so many times, please do this, please do this, and your father will be, I don't care, what is she doing, what is she has been telling me from morning, all that stuff. That doesn't happen with your twin flame. If you have even a small desire within yourself, your twin flame will understand that energetically and will respond back to you in a very loving way. Always your twin flame respond backs to you in a very loving way if you are healed completely and you are in a state of unconditional love in the relationship. So keep pursuing your harmonious union, and subscribe my channel. Let me support you on this journey and expand this knowledge. Thank you.